Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Divya English Speaking Academy. In this video, sir is taking feedback from 10th class students what they have learnt.
Yeah. So first of all, tell me why do you need to get testimonial certificate from the school?
Because where we want to apply for the job, the people don't know how our behavior is, and they can get a certificate from the school, and they will know how our behavior is, and we can do work properly.
How much will it be helpful for them to understand your past behavior?
It will help them more because they will write everything that what we have done in school, and they will know how our behavior is.
And what you think about behavior, how important it is behavior?
It is very important to have a good behavior because it can help in our working, and it improve our patience of sitting or doing work.
Let's clap for him. Yeah. Whatever we learn in English language should be having confidence to speak it out. I do want to appreciate you. Whatever question is being asked to you, do have the confidence to speaking it out and then making some long sentences also, which is making me to feel happy. So dear viewers, watch. We do something like that. And what was your the second topic?
The second topic was readmission in school.
Okay, why? Why do we need to take readmission in school?
It is important to take readmission in school. If we don't give application to school and we are not coming to school properly, they will cut off our name from the admission list, and we have to take admission again.
Okay, what are the reasons like we need to take admissions again?
The reasons are the students are not giving application properly to the teachers, and they struck their names from the register of school.
Students are not giving application. What does it mean? I mean to say that why they need to apply for readmission. What goes wrong with them?
They did not come to school properly, and they do not do study well, and most of the time they were not in the class, and their name was struck off from the register of school.
Very good. So in that case, they need to take the readmission also in the school. So okay, for example, if someone wants to take readmission in the school, how they need to write? What will they write? Tell me.
They have to write that I beg to say that I am a student of this class of your school. I did not attend the school last 6 days of the last month. My mother was ill. There was none to look after her. My the No other students of our village don't go to our school, so I cannot send the application. Kindly please readmit me and oblige.
I couldn't send application. There was none to go from my place to get there, so kindly remit. Yeah, very good. I do appreciate you. And why learning English is very important according to you? What do you think?
Because learning English is very important, because if we are talking to someone who is from foreign, they could not understand what we are talking in Hindi, that we have
Not
to.
only foreign. Listen, dear students, when we talk about learning English, it is not only talking with foreign people. English is very important for our education. We want to study medical, non-medical subjects. It is in English. English is important for our jobs. English is important for our interviews. English is important for our career. English is important for our personality. English is important for our communication, talking to people from around the world. English is important for technological era, handling all those things. Education very important for school going students. If they know English properly, confidently, grammar, spoken, understanding, having deep knowledge about language, that's gonna help them a lot. Okay, what do you want to say our viewers, the viewers, those who are watching videos from around the world? What's your message? How did you learn English? What do you want to suggest them? How can they learn English?
They can learn English by the help of grammar and reading books and understand the meaning of books, and they have to learn 5 to 10 vocabularies and some new words in a day, that they can learn English very properly, and they can understand the English very properly and understand what the people are saying in English.
How about the four skills? Is it important for them also?
Yes, 4 skill is also important for them to learn English.
All right.
If you like our content, so don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.